Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you had a great day. I have three things for you today. I have, two things basically. I have the crypto bubbles. We're to look at the daily's biggest gainer, daily loser, or biggest loser, and then look at some price predictions and the reason why XRP and other crypto crashed, and we've been covering that on the channel. So let's get started today with the biggest gainers, or biggest gainer, and then the biggest loser, and then we'll look at the three sisters. It looks like Hex is the big gainer today, up to this point at 25.9% gain. Of course, it was at 0.015. The high was 0.019, and it is 0.193. So Hex is the big winner today, big gainer. Of course, we see a lot of green. We have a few little red, which is a good sight. We have about 5 or 6 red there. Let's look at the big loser. Of course, I believe that's going to be Onyx coin. This has been on the channel before. It's made the biggest gain and biggest loser list. Let's look at the numbers. The high was 0.25 cents. The low was 0.22 cents, and it is hovering right now at 0.23 cents. So it's about halfway in between the high and the low today. Now let's look at the three sisters. Of course, if you know history, the native tribes had the three sister crops: bean, squash, corn. Well, I've got the three sisters of crypto: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Let's go ahead and look at, let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin, the low was 95,413. The high was 98,275, and right now it's trading at 97,323. So not far off from the daily high, about 1,000. Of course, at the rate Bitcoin moves, it can regain that daily high, hopefully real soon. Let's check into Ethereum. Ethereum, the low was 2,572. I wish I had seen that. I would have probably bought. I invested a little bit today. It was mostly stock. The high today was 2,692, and the going rate right now is 2,654. So we're not too far off from that high, about $38. Let's check into XRP. The low was $2.33, high $2.46. Of course, we're hovering around the 240 mark, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about XRP. Why has crypto crashed? That's what we're looking at next. Of course, the tariff shakeup, if you will, about a week ago, or was that 2 weeks now? But anyway, the whole tariff thing shook things up, And people began to sell off because of the market volatility. Of course, the markets, they don't like uncertainty. So there was a lot of certainty at the time, and there was a lot of people pulling profits or pulling the capital, another name of it. People were pulling capital because of fear. Of course, the fear index, it's at the highest that it's ever been right now. So people's just leery of buying. What I did see in this article that I'm showing, and I will scroll down, let y'all have a look at it. There's a ceiling pressure could retest the 160. If that happens, of course, I'm buying, because they're stating in this article here that XRP, I may be going the wrong way, scrolling the wrong way there, could be $3.50 to $5 by 2025. I think that's going to take place within the next 180 days. By July is when I see this taking place. So I really think by the end of the year, around December, we can possibly see, I could possibly see it being around $18 by, of course, that's a whole lot of hopium that I'm using, that I'm taking in. Of course, I could see some of y'all that may have bought in when it was 50 cents. Y'all could be possibly driving Lamborghinis. Me, I would like to have a down payment, or hopefully maybe a new Toyota Corolla pickup sitting in the driveway, paid off, owing nothing. That would be excellent. So, dream big. You may be wanting that Lambo. I'll never get anything like a Lambo, depreciation and all that stuff. Maybe I'm wrong about those supercars, but let's dream big. I'm not into things that are going to depreciate. Now let's look at some, once again, look at some prices. And this is basically, what this is, it's basically ETFs and altcoins that, or coins that could possibly see an ETF. And if we see that, I think we're going to be setting in excellent shape. This is what everything was trading at today. Of course, you can see the coins that could be getting an ETF: Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba, Inu, and I heard not Solana, but ADA maybe getting one. My mind just went blank there on what ADA is. But let's go back to crypto bubbles and check out ADA. Cardano, that's it. It's number 9. Cardano may get an ETF, so, and I bought a bunch of Cardano, not a bunch, but like $20-$25 worth of Cardano a few days ago. So ETFs, I really think those are going to make things, the prices on everything get to go up. So keep that in mind. I'll probably invest in some of those ETFs, buy $20 here, $20 there, a little bit at a time. Here's some more crypto that could go into an ETF. So keep that in mind. Of course, that's what I have for you today. Remember, this is not financial advice. Seek a financial advisor before investing. This is for entertainment and information purposes only. I am not responsible for any loss or gains. Remember, there's a lot of crypto scams out there. I will never ask you for your wallet information. If you run across somebody asking for that, that's a scam. So be aware of that. I will never ask you for money. All I do is ask you to like, subscribe, comment, and hopefully one day I'll become monetized. So if you haven't done any of that, please do so. That'll be much appreciated. Anyway, remember to treat each other like you want to be treated. Until next time, family, I'll see ya.